everyone, and welcome to Rainbow Chefs Academy. My name is Max. Today we will be making apple chicken salad. This is a healthy, tasty recipe. Yogurt, cooked chicken breast, celery, lemon, but with some salt, apple. Let's start cooking. Don't forget to wash your hands for 30 seconds before cooking. To dice our ingredients, we will make a claw. I'm going to cube. Cubing means that you gotta cut everything into like little cubes. Now that we're done slicing our apples, we can move on slicing our celery. Now that we're done with our celery, we can cut our cilantro. It's kind of hard to cut since they're kind of like small. But if you press it down, it's easier to cut.
Yummy!
It tastes good. Now we're going to move on cutting the chicken. By the way, the chicken is cooked. Remember to use your claw though. I think we're done with the chicken. Now that we're done cutting our chicken, we're going to squeeze our lemon and sprinkle our salt. A little salt goes a long way. Lastly, we're going to put some fresh yogurt. Now that we're done adding all the ingredients, we can now start mixing and enjoy. It was nice cooking with you guys. I hope to see you guys next time when I make the caterpillar banana. Bye!